So this is a previous year gate question. So it comes under triangle, polygon, and quadrilateral section. So we have a figure. In the figure given below, we have to estimate the sum of angle DEC. Angle DEC. We have to estimate angle DEC. That means this angle DEC, and wait. Okay, angle DEC and angle BFC. We have to find the sum of these two angles. We have a certain option which is given in terms of angle. So in order to solve this problem, we have to apply some properties of the triangle. Okay, so let's look how to solve this one. So the first step to solve this one is by you applying the exterior angle property. So exterior angle property of a triangle is angle Z is equal to angle X plus angle Y. Okay, so I mean sum of the uh, I mean if you consider triangle DEC, the exterior angle will be Z, right? So this is a exterior angle will be the sum of the other two interior angles. So by applying the exterior angle property, the exterior angle of the triangle is the sum of the two opposite interior angle, right? So here Z will be the sum of angle X and Y. Okay, actually, angle this will be angle Z, right? If you check the exterior angle, this is actually the exterior angle since it is vertically opposite. I can write this here also. Okay. So we have Z is equal to angle X plus angle Y. Similarly, I can apply angle A plus, I mean, you can see angle A plus angle B will be Y. Similar case, by applying the exterior angle property, here in this triangle DAF, the exterior angle will be this angle, right? Obviously, this is our exterior angle. So this exterior angle will be the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So angle A plus angle B will be angle Y. If I add these two equation, okay, by adding to this one, I will get this will be the final equation if I add these two equation. Okay, y term get cancelled because it is present at both LHS and RHS. So I need to find this angle, right? DEC and BFC. So here DEC is marked as X. I have assumed to be X and angle BFC to be angle A. So I have this expression angle Z is equal to angle X plus angle A plus angle B. Okay, I need angle X and angle A. Just take the remaining one on the other side. You get angle Z and angle B. Angle Z is marked as angle BCD and angle BA is angle BAD. So we got the answer.